One. Okay, welcome to a bit of Puzzle Scrolls with Mr. Burns. And, alright, because I don't actually own this sheet, this is owned by RIC, I won't go into too much detail because I'm using their materials, but I'm going to help you solve some of these problems, perhaps. Let's look at the first one. So this is problem number 1. Okay, and you've got the sheet there, you should see it. It's all about a dam, isn't it? Okay, if you're stuck, I'm going to help you out here a little bit. Right, now you can read the question. You can see the dam took 48 days to fill with water. The amount of water it stored doubled each day. How long did it take to be half full? Well, of course, it started, it had 2 the first day, didn't it? Then 4 the next day, and then 8 the next day. Okay, and the sheet's telling you it took 48 days to be half full. Okay, so you've got to work out what day, oh, that's wrong, sorry about that, I'm just going to rub it off. The sheet's telling you it took 48 days to be full. Yeah, that's better. It took 48 days to be full. So you've got to work out what day was it half full. And I've sort of helped you out here. I mean, on day 1 it was 1. Oh, well, at some point it was 1. Let's say it was 1 litre full. Then it was 2 litres full. Then it was 4 litres full. Then it was 8 litres full. On day 48 it was entirely full. So, and every day it doubles, doesn't it? Every day it doubles. So when was it half full? That's the question. Let me give you a hint. Your answer should start with A4, and there's got to be something there. Okay. Let's do the next question. Number 2 is the pin number. Okay, and the pin number, you can read the question there. The pin number equals 19, and its digits, the 4 digits added together equal 19. So, for example, it could be 1 plus 3 plus 6 and 9. What else could it be? So, what other answers could you have? Let me give you one. I'm going to give you one, and then you're going to find some more for me. It could be 1, 4, 5, and 9. Okay? And you know what? There's 3 more. See if you can find me 3 more. Okay, there's that. Let's have a look at number 3, which is asking you what 2-digit number is 3 times the sum of its digits, 16, and it's got all these examples there. It probably is one of those. It's not actually. It's not one of those. I think. That's confusing. It's actually not one of those numbers. But it is asking you to find what 2-digit number is 3 times the sum of its digits. So, for example, there's 16 there. And it's saying, look, it's a 2-digit number. If you added 16's digits together, which are 1 and 6, okay, so you get 1 plus 6, you get 7. And if then if you, as the question says, you times 7 by 3, you'd get 21, right? Now, 21 does not equal 16. So it's not 16, is it? Okay? It's not 16. Let's have a go at a different one. Oh, let's get a bigger rubber, would we? Thank you. That tiny rubber. Unless there's a quick way to clear the page. If anyone knows how to clear the page instantly, they can come and tell me. But don't all come and tell me. Okay. What about 54? I mean, maybe 54 will do it. It's saying, look, if you add the digits of 54 together, you get 5 plus 4, which equals 9, okay? So then you times 9 by 3, and does that equal 54? No, it doesn't. That actually equals 27, okay? There is a number, year 5, that has got 2 digits in it. And when you add the digits together, and then times it by 3, it equals that same number again. Right? Let me give you a hint. One of the digits is 2. Okay? That should help you with that. Let's go to number 4. A maths club starts with one one member who recruits 2 new members the following week. Each new member then does the same each following week. How many members are there after 5 weeks? That's a toughie. Okay, so this is how you're going to have to tackle this. You've got your maths club. It's got the 1 member. He starts off with 1. There he is. There's our 1. You know, I'm actually going to make that look better. I'm going to make it look like a person. I love drawing pictures. There's your 1 member. So that would be week 1, wouldn't it? And then in week 2, okay, our friend over here, he recruited 2 more members. So there's our initial member, and now he's got 2, doesn't he? Well done. Okay, good for him. In week 3, each new member recruited more members. So there's our original, there's our new members, and these new guys who are over here, right, this is them now, they got 2 more members. I mean, gee, they're doing really well getting people to come. Okay, this is fantastic. Right, you've got to work out how many by week 5? That'll be fun. Let's do question number 5. Right, the atlas has 6 pages of maps of Australia. The sum of these pages is 237. What are the page numbers? Well, guys, you've just got to imagine. Okay, there's an atlas, isn't there? And it's full of pages. So let me draw the. This is hard, actually. How do I draw the pages? There you go. Lots of pages. Okay, and of course there's page numbers down here, isn't there? This is page 26, and this one will be obviously 27. Okay, so you've got 6 pages. 6 pages that are all about Australia, and if you add them up, so 26, 27, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and to add up 6 pages, it equals 237. Question is, what are the pages? Well, let me give you a hint. Actually, I don't think I can give you a hint with that one. Giving you a hint will give it away. I'll give you a little hint. The last page, here you go, the last page ends in a 2. There you go. That's a little hint. Okay. Number 6. What 2 whole numbers, neither of which contain a 0, have a product of 1 million? Wow. Let me just pause this for a moment. Gee whiz, that's a difficult one. You've got to get a calculator for starters. Okay, and so you've got to get 2 numbers, okay, that times together, that equal 1 million, okay. And these numbers here, neither of these numbers have a 0 in them. That's a good tough one. You know what, let me give you a little bit of a hint. A little bit of a hint. Should I give you any hints? I think I'll give you one hint, just so you have an idea. This one here's a 2-digit number, guys. Okay, and it's got the number 4 there. Okay, it's a 2-digit number, and it's got the number 4 there. And this one here, no, that's all the hint I'm giving you. It's the last question. Have a good hard time with it. Okay, guys, that should help you out. Thanks for listening.